so much, sir. Thank you for joining us for this event of NAVNEET today. Firstly, I would like to know from you, how did you like the event?
Well, it was a pleasure attending such a seminar. Very entertaining, and then plenty of principals from various schools gathered over here, and then we all had a platform where we have learned so many new things, particularly about technology. Last part of Mr. Ganesh, where he has given various techniques and various ways of learning and teaching in the school, was very refreshing and very useful. And I would like to thank NAVNEET for organizing such type of activity for principals and teachers. Okay. We have learned so many things. If I enlist here, as you have mentioned here, it will be time consuming, but various things we have learned, and then naturally we are going to implement those in our schools.
Perfect, great. So talking about implementation, so we have always observed that school, especially we can always get a resistance from the teachers to adopt a new thing, right? And there is always a challenge to introduce a new thing to them. What do you think? What all the things we can do to increase their acceptance?
Well, we have started professional development for teachers, and we have regular sessions for them. On Friday, every week, we have 2.5 hours session. And then modern techniques, particularly digital learning has been introduced in our school. We have made 3 different labs, one for pre-primary, and then one is for senior students, and then one is for middle school. So we are using them. And I am expecting a representative from your side, so that we even see what is there new in that one, and if possible, we adopt it.
Perfect. We are not going to waste time. We are going to start bothering you from Monday.
You are most welcome.
Thank you so much for your interest.